Yeah, where are you trying them out?
To Lincoln Road.
Like a sidewalk?
Yeah. Take them, have my nephews drive them from Lincoln Road down to the beach, right up and down the beach. They'll love it. They're on jet skis right now. Will you tell me when they're back? Because I have...
Your glasses? I'm recording you right now.
I'm recording you, recording me, recording you. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. Don't leave Lincoln Road, okay? Okay. Look, Maurice, the tour guide, has the Segway. Oh
yeah, the prices are crazy. They're like $6.
Okay, let me see. Where am I going?
Evan, don't do that. It's like POV, you know? Like real POV.
Yeah, that's nice. I might get one.
They look good on you too. And those are the polarized ones, so in the sun it's like that, and at night it's like they're light, you know?
They have two different ones right now.
They have three.
Three?
They have ones that are clear, ones that are
But
polarized.
of the frame, I mean.
Oh, two.
They have two different frames.
Two. Those are the expensive ones.
Going to be able to bring the two sides together. We have narrowed the issues.
The video clips from earlier were from the Miami Open. Honestly, one of the most uninteresting things I've ever done. But the food was pretty good. Now it's the next day. I'm back home again and I have two things to share, to show. First of all, I haven't said it yet publicly or anywhere online, but I am quitting my job and I'm leaving Miami. I'm done with the city and I'm going on a big world packing trip soon, a world backpacking trip. And for that, I have also just ordered these Ray-Bans, the Meta smart glasses with camera, which are pretty cool. And I also have this in my apartment right now. Hello, kitties. I put them up here because they're pretty scared still, and I don't want them to hide under the couch. This is a girl. This is a boy. He's a little bit more relaxed. And now I'm gonna give them some filet mignon. The girl is a little bit more afraid and she's like very cautious in a new environment. They're like little lions in the savannah devouring a zebra.